Hi there folks, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with a product that has been creating quite a buzz, the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite. So if you are on the hunt for the cordless stick vacuum that's efficient, convenient and budget friendly, you are in the right place. So join me and explore all the ins and outs of this sleek cleaning companion. But before you get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out our latest review and home improvement tips. Alright, let's roll our sleeves and get cleaning. Introducing the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite is a remarkable cordless stick vacuum that redefines convenience and performance in the world of home cleaning. Xiaomi, known for the worldwide range of consumer electronics and smart home products, including various vacuum cleaners. So Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite is a cordless stick vacuum. This is a product designed to be lighter and more compact than most conventional stick vacuums of this type, making it easier to maneuver and has a sleek, eye-catching design. There are 3 stages filtration system which helps seal any allergens and has a fairly long battery life. The flip side of this compact design is the small dustbin that can't hold the much debris, which is suction motor that isn't strong enough to debris from the crevice or some carpet surfaces. This sleek, lightweight powerhouse occupies a unique niche in its segment, offering delightful balance feature that set it apart from her competitors. With the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite, you get the best of the both worlds. It's lighter than the pricier Dyson V12 Detect Slim, making it breeze to maneuver around your home. At the same time, it boasts a larger dirt compartment and a longer-lasting battery than the similar price Shark OneVac system, ensuring you can clean more and charge less. But this is not all. The Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite is designed with your needs in mind. While it may be lighter, it's not lightweight when it comes to performance on various surfaces. However, it's worth noting that this attachment is more compact compared to some competitors. So if you are prioritizing a simplified cleaning experience over the extensive array attachment, this vacuum is an excellent choice. While it excels on the hard floors, the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite may encounter some challenges on heavily carpet surfaces, but when it comes to versatility, convenience and value, it shines brightly. So experience future of cleaning with the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite and enjoy cleaner, fresher home without compromise. The Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite boasts a decent build quality, primary composite sturdy plastic. It features the lightweight aluminum vent of added durability. While the plastic feels of reasonable quality, there are a couple of minor drawbacks to note. The vent may fit somewhat loosely in the socket, causing slight welding when connected to the motor unit. Additionally, ensure the cyclone filter is correctly seated in the dirt compartment to facilitate smooth vent connection. In a nutshell, a solid build with a few nuances to keep in mind for optimal performance. Maintaining the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite is a straightforward process. Dirt compartment. So removing the dirt compartment for emptying requires a bit of force. Ensure the gasket debris free of proper seal. The cyclone. Detach the cyclone from the dirt compartment to easy access. Wash the assembly weekly and align precisely when inserting and it connects to the vacuum vent. HEPA filter. Located on top of the cyclone, rinse the HEPA filter weekly for optimal performance. A brush roll. Accessing the brush roll is simple, so it can collect long hair. Its unique straight-line crystal design doesn't complicate cleaning. And experience hassle-free maintenance with the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner for a consistently clean home. Enjoy the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite with the minimal recurring cost. Filters. Replace the HEPA filter every 2 or 3 months. Find compatible option everywhere available for the budget-friendly choice. And cycle assembly cotton filter. So there is no specific intervals provided for the cotton filter inside the cyclone assembly, so potentially saving you even more. Keep your cleaning routine affordable and efficient with the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite. Storage made simple, the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite stands upright on this rack station, offering two end-attachment storage slots. While it doesn't charge on the rack like some competitors, it's charged conveniently via a separate adapter. Just ensure your storage spot is close to the power outlet for effortless organization. Simplicity meets efficiency. The Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite keeps it straightforward with standard and max power settings, easily activated by its labeled button. Stay informed with the low charge indicator that performs convenience and effectiveness. But let's talk about what really matters: performance. So battery-wise, you can expect around 50 minutes of runtime in standard mode. Crank up to max and you will get about 15 minutes. Charging takes around 4 hours, which is faster than the advertised 5 hours. Now, the real test: cleaning power. The Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite handles hard floors like a champ. It's super agile and does an excellent job on most surfaces. However, it might struggle a bit on the thicker carpets, so keep that in mind if you have plush rugs. In terms of convenience features, it keeps simple. 2 power settings, standard and max, right on your fingertips. And then when the battery gets low, the LED light above the buttons turns red, giving you a heads up. So, here is the verdict. The Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite is a solid performer with a straightforward approach. It is not loaded with extra features, but it gets job done efficiently. And when its reasonable price point is definitely worth considering for your cleaning arsenal. And there you have it, folks. Our in-depth review of the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite has come to the end. This little cleaning wonder has certainly impressed me with the performance, ease of use and affordability. If you're on the lookout for the cordless stick vacuum that can tackle your everyday cleaning needs without breaking the bank, the Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite deserves a spot in your wishlist. So thank you very much joining me today on my channel. If you found this review helpful, if you have any question about Mi Vacuum Cleaner Lite, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And remember, give us a thumbnails if you enjoyed this video. Before we sign off, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you stay up to date with all your latest review and home improvement guides. Until next time, happy cleaning and see you next video. And remember, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.